Well, everyone, another video about iOS 26 Beta 2 because I could just keep raving about this particular update. I just really want to hit on the fact that Apple actually listened to a lot of their consumers. A lot of the people who are sitting there consuming all their products, they actually went through and they listened to us and they made it feel like we were kind of important in their life cycle of their devices. Apple didn't just go through and just throw away our opinions and said, no, you guys will like liquid glass, you guys will like this and that. They actually started listening to us here, and I feel like that's a really big thing they ended up doing here. Now, one really big thing to keep in mind here within iOS 26 Beta 2 is that there are several more features added inside of this compared to the previous generation, but it's mostly just kind of refining what was there before. But so far, the consensus that we can kind of see for the most part, although again, it's not a perfect update, most of the consensus that we're basically seeing is that this is one of those types of updates that has actually gotten better, and a lot of people are seeing the amount of, improvements that this update has been getting as a whole. So I feel like this in and of itself is such an important thing that we've kind of ran into. And I feel like personally for me, this is without a doubt something that is so cool to see from this type of standpoint. Now, one big thing to keep in mind here when I'm looking at these types of devices is that you are going to have to remember that if you are going to go through and pick up something, like an iOS 26 iPhone, you have to remember to avoid installing it at all costs. Don't upgrade your iPhone if it's on this version of software, or don't upgrade to this version of software. It genuinely just doesn't make any sense. You are much better off waiting it out until maybe a different software version comes out, like iOS 26.1 or something like that. But as far as I can tell you, in my personal opinion, this update has gotten a lot better. I'm really excited to see what Beta 3 ends up bringing, because I'm pretty sure iOS 26 Beta 3 is going to bring a lot more type of improvements. We're gonna have to kind of wait and see what happens there, but ultimately I will tell you there's a lot of cool things Apple has done. I'm really looking forward to the next couple of updates, and we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.